Hi everyone, today I am at Mall of the Emirates and we are visiting Apple store. Recently they have launched iPhone 15 and everyone has gone crazy for it. So let's look at the options. This one's iPhone 15, the 6.1 inch, and it's available in 5 colors. That was pink, then yellow. Next we have green, then that's the blue one. All the colors are very nice pastel type, and the last one, that's our favorite, black, the classy black color. It's my birthday month. I decided to get an Apple Watch for myself, and that's the one I got. This is Series 9, the latest one. I got the 41 mm size dial. There are two sizes. It comes in 45 mm and 41 mm. Since my wrist is thin, I preferred the smaller size. It's available in 4 colors and I got the black one. The dial is black and the strap that I got is this one. It's maroon in color. Usually the black dial comes with a black strap. That is how they give it. However, they have multiple options for the straps, and if you want they can swap it for you. So I preferred to go for this color with the black dial, and instead of the black strap they gave me this strap in the same price. Everything was so nicely packed, very proper. This is the dial of the watch. Comes with a charger. Now let's open this box. It has the strap inside it. If you buy it separately, the strap is for $199, but since I got it instead of the black one, so I got it with the watch in the same price. For the dial, they had gold, rose gold, black, and I preferred going for black color because it goes with almost all the colors of the strap. So if in future I want to buy any other color for the strap, I can easily pair it up with the black dial. But for gold and rose gold, the color of the straps are limited. That's how we fix it, and that's the final look of the watch. Honestly, the staff at the Apple store is very nice. They make sure you are completely satisfied with your purchase. They give you proper advice as well, so don't hesitate and do ask whatever questions you have. Do let me know in the comment section below if you liked my watch or not. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for all future updates. Thank you so much for watching. Happy shopping!